Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Introduction. When it comes to camping, having a comfortable and reliable camping chair can make all the difference in enhancing your outdoor experience. Whether you're lounging around the campfire, enjoying a picturesque view, or simply relaxing in the great outdoors, a good camping chair provides the perfect blend of comfort, durability, and portability. To help you choose the best camping chair for your adventures, we have compiled a list of the top 5 options available on the market. These chairs have been selected based on their quality, features, customer reviews, and overall performance. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top 5 best camping chairs that will make your outdoor trips more enjoyable and relaxing. Number 5. Naturehike YL08 YL09 YL10 Camping Chair. I recently had the opportunity to try out the Naturehike YL08 YL09 YL10 Camping Chair, and I must say that I am thoroughly impressed with its performance. This camping chair offers a combination of durability, portability, and comfort, making it a great companion for outdoor adventures. One of the standout features of this camping chair is its construction. The bracket material is made of 7075 aviation aluminum alloy, which provides excellent strength while keeping the chair lightweight. I found the chair to be sturdy and stable even when I sat on it for extended periods. The aluminum frame also adds to its durability, ensuring that it can withstand various weather conditions and rough handling. The camping chair fabric is made of 600D Oxford cloth, which not only feels comfortable, but is also highly resistant to wear and tear. I appreciated the quality of the fabric as it held up well against abrasions and didn't show signs of fraying even after prolonged use. The chair's design is ergonomically friendly, providing good back support and allowing me to relax comfortably. Number 4. TOPX S1017 Camping Chair. I recently had the opportunity to try out the TOPX S1017 camping chair, and I must say, it has exceeded my expectations in many ways. This lightweight and versatile camping chair offers comfort and convenience for various outdoor activities. Here's my in-depth review of the TOPX S1017 camping chair. One of the standout features of this camping chair is its portability. The foldable design allows for easy transportation and storage. With its compact size when folded, 5,660.565.5 centimeters, and weighing only 900 grams, it's incredibly lightweight and convenient to carry around. Whether you're going camping, fishing, hiking, or even having a picnic at the beach, this chair is an excellent choice. The construction of the TOPX S1017 is impressive. The scaffold material used is advanced aviation aluminum, which not only makes it durable, but also ensures its lightweight nature. The chair feels sturdy and reliable, capable of supporting a decent amount of weight. I found it to be quite stable and didn't experience any wobbling or instability while sitting on it. Number 3. AZULBLANCO Camping Chair. I recently purchased the AZULBLANCO camping chair for my outdoor adventures, and I must say it has exceeded my expectations in terms of comfort, durability, and versatility. This camping chair has become an essential companion for my camping trips, picnics, beach visits, and even home use. First and foremost, the AZULBLANCO camping chair is incredibly comfortable. The seat material, made of 600D Oxford cloth, provides a plush and supportive seating experience. Even during extended periods of sitting, I never felt any discomfort or fatigue. The chair's dimensions, measuring 105 x 45 x 45 centimeters when open, offer ample space and a relaxed sitting posture. Durability is another standout feature of this camping chair. The scaffold material, constructed with advanced aviation aluminum, ensures the chair's sturdiness and long-lasting performance. It can easily support a maximum load of 150 kilograms, making it suitable for users of various sizes and weights. I have personally tested the chair with heavier weights, and it remained rock solid and stable throughout. Number 2. PACOONE Camping Chair. I recently had the opportunity to try out the PACOONE camping chair, and I must say, I was thoroughly impressed with its performance and features. As an avid outdoor enthusiast, I've used many camping chairs in the past, but this one stands out for several reasons. First and foremost, the PACOONE camping chair is incredibly lightweight, weighing only 1,000 grams 1,300 grams. This makes it easy to carry around and transport, especially when you're hiking or backpacking to your campsite. Despite its lightweight design, the chair doesn't compromise on durability. It feels sturdy and well-built, capable of handling a load-bearing capacity of 150 to 200 kilograms. The folding mechanism of the chair is convenient and hassle-free. It folds up neatly into a compact size, measuring 5,660.565.5 centimeters when folded. This compactness makes it easy to store and transport, fitting perfectly into a backpack or car trunk. The folding process is quick and intuitive, allowing for effortless setup and takedown. Number 1. Tnukk Camping Chair. I recently had the opportunity to try out the Tnukk Camping Chair, and I must say, it exceeded my expectations. This portable folding chair is specifically designed for outdoor use, making it perfect for camping trips, beach outings, fishing adventures, and even picnics in the park. One of the standout features of the Tnukk Camping Chair is its modern style and sleek appearance. The chair is beautifully designed with clean lines and a minimalist aesthetic, which adds a touch of elegance to any outdoor setting. Whether you're relaxing by the campfire or lounging on the beach, this chair will undoubtedly catch the eye of your fellow outdoor enthusiasts. The chair is made from high-quality aluminum, which not only ensures its durability, but also keeps it lightweight and easy to carry. This is a significant advantage, especially when you're on the move and need a chair that is easy to transport. The folding mechanism is smooth and effortless, allowing you to set up or pack up the chair in a matter of seconds. Once folded, it becomes compact and conveniently fits into the included carrying bag, making it hassle-free to store and transport. Thanks for watching this video.